Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is quick, easy and delicious egg fried noodles. It comes from street food. Street egg fried noodles may seem simple, but the secret to its delicacy lies in stir-frying with high fire, which is called 锅气 in Chinese. It makes the noodles full of aroma. Let's get started. Prepare 40 grams of mung bean sprouts. Remove the ends. Cut the cabbage into long strips. Only 100 grams are needed. Three garlic cloves minced. One green onion, about 8 grams, chopped. 150 grams of noodles, 1 egg. The best choice for noodles is handmade thick noodles. The seasonings include 1/2 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 3 tablespoons of oil for stir frying. Boil the noodles first, according to the thickness of the noodles you bought, about 7 minutes. Don't boil them for too long, or they will become soft. Let them go through cold water, then drain. Place a pot over high heat. Add oil when just beginning to smoke. Add egg. Work quickly until cooked through. Add chopped green onion, garlic, cabbage, mung bean sprouts, keep stir-frying. When they are just wilted, pour in the noodles. Add dark soy sauce, light soy sauce, salt, combine well. Turn off the heat. Easy and yummy noodles are ready. If you like today's recipe, give a try and subscribe for more Chinese cooking videos. Thank you for watching and see you next time.